Welcome back to Simply Food Recipes. Today we are making chicken livers with onions. Quick, simple, old school and honestly, way better than most people expect. We are starting with a big onion. Cut it in half and slice it into half moons. Not paper thin, we want them to keep a bit of texture. These thicker slices soften nicely but still hold their shape in the pan. Thin onions melt away too fast and then you miss that sweet bite later. Plus this dish is super simple, so every ingredient actually matters, especially the onion. And don't worry if the slices aren't perfect, rustic always works better here anyway. Now the chicken livers, give them a good rinse, check for any weird bits, trim if needed, and let them drain well. If there is any connective tissue, just pull it off. It cooks chewy and nobody wants that. Also, the drier the livers are, the better they saute instead of steaming in a pan. It's a small step, but it makes a big difference in the final texture. Heat up little cooking oil in a pan over medium heat. Add the onion and saute it slowly until it turns slightly golden. You are not looking for color fast, let it soften and release its sweetness. If the heat is too high, just lower it. This part should feel relaxed. A good onion base now means you won't have to fix flavors later. Once the onion looks right, add the chicken livers straight into the pan. Try to spread them out a little so they actually touch the surface. That first contact with the heat is important. It helps them saute instead of releasing liquid right away. Don't stir immediately, give them a few seconds, then gently start moving things around. Now seasoning. Caraway seeds go in first. Let them hit the hot fat for a moment so they release their aroma. Then add black pepper right after. Still no salt at this point. We are just building flavor layers now, not finishing the dish yet. Now gently mix everything together. Turn the livers, coat them with the onions and spices and keep things moving. Scrape the bottom of the pan as you go. That's pure flavor, not something to lose. We are cooking evenly here, not rushing, just making sure nothing sticks or burns. Now we add salt, and this timing really matters. Chicken livers are delicate, and if you salt them too early, they release moisture and turn tough. Adding salt at the end keeps them juicy and tender. And like always, start with a little, mix it in, and adjust from there. And that's it, we are done. Simple, quick, and one of those dishes that people usually underestimate until they taste it. Chicken livers cook fast, so once you get the timing right, this becomes an easy weeknight meal. We are serving ours with potatoes, cooking butter with caraway and garlic. Classic and always works. To add some color and balance, we went with fresh cucumber, dill pickles, a light sauerkraut salad, and homemade tartar sauce. The little bit of acidity really cuts through the richness of the livers. And of course, a sprinkle of green onion on top. It somehow always makes the plate look finished. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, share and follow for more simple, honest cooking. Thanks for watching and I will see you next time on Simply Food Recipes.